The repurchase rate for banks in South Africa is currently at 6.75%. The lending rate for consumers is 3.5% higher at 10.25%. With inflation under control and the economy showing signs of a recovery, there's a growing argument for a rate cut.
Overall, inflation is benefiting from lower food prices. I mean, we've had a good harvest after the severe drought we experienced in 2015 and 2016. Fuel prices have come down. Overall, administered prices are under control.
But inflation projections could change in a week's time. A raft of new and higher taxes will take effect on the 1st of April. And it won't only affect drinkers and smokers. Value-added tax, which impacts almost all goods and services in the country, will go up by 1 percentage point.
It should add around 0.3 to the headline number. The services component is the easiest way to pass on the full effect of VAT. And then potentially, I think on the goods component, there could be retailers that are willing to absorb some of the cost pressure and not pass it on completely.
Inflation has averaged around 6.1% over the last 10 years. Core inflation, which excludes food and energy, is at a 7-year low of 4.1%. With the economy on the mend and business feeling more confident about new leadership in the country, a rate cut could lead to increased activity.
Price stability is a key indicator of underlying conditions in the overall economy. And when that happens, investment often gets stimulated. We see businesses starting to regain confidence because then they can plan, they can estimate future increases in the cost of doing business.
The currency too is proving less volatile and has strengthened since the last MPC meeting. The dread of a ratings downgrade has also dissipated with Moody's decision to lift South Africa's outlook from negative to stable.
If the stability in the currency is maintained, I think then the risks to the inflation outlook are then slightly reduced, and perhaps the Reserve Bank could use this as an opportunity to possibly consider easing the policy rate.
No doubt a rate cut will provide benefits to consumers and to businesses. Pensioners, though, will lose out again as the savings rate dips. And with the US hiking rates, much needed investment flows to South Africa may drift away in that direction. Sumitra and Nydoo, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.